Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library, here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. For this week's Take and Make craft, we will be making this dancing wobbly friend. In your craft kit this week, you will receive a small sheet of white cardstock and 4 colored strips of paper. Of your own supplies, you'll need tape or glue and your coloring supplies of choice. For our first step, we'll be making our dancing friend's legs, and so we'll just be making an arch on the paper like this. So I'm going to make some tape loops to adhere it, but of course you can also use glue. Tape just provides a super quick, mess-free way to put everything together. So like I said, just doing some tape rolls on the ends of my white base where I'm going to attach the legs. Next, we can get into our body or our abdomen, and so I'll be making a loop with my paper and taping or gluing it shut. Then attaching it to the legs with the whole of the circle facing towards the front. Making sure to secure it in the center of our legs so our wobbly friend has a good center of balance. For the arms, I'm just going to attach them to the center of the body so that they kind of hang off either side. You don't need to do any folding or shaping here. Next, we can start on our head. And in this video, I did make the mistake of not coloring his face in before I folded it into a loop. So feel free to draw out your face before you make it a loop and just make sure to center it. Here I am struggling extensively to get tape out and then forming it into a loop first and then drawing out our friend's face. If you do want to use tape for this project, it would be a really great idea to pre-rip a bunch of little pieces of tape and attach them to the end of the table. That way you're not constantly trying to pull off more tape throughout, and make it super easy and quick. So now that we have our head loop, I'm going to go ahead and draw our dancing friend's face. So here I'm doing a quick happy face with some big blue eyebrows and a little cheek blush, but feel free to interpret your wobbly friend's personality however you would wish. And of course, when you finish your craft, you can share it with us on social media. We are at Wauconda Area Library on Facebook and Instagram, and I would love to see your crafts. And then I'm attaching it to the center of the arms, facing towards the front. And here is our wobbly friend all done. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next week with a new Take and Make craft.